Welcome back to the channel. Climate change is one of the most pressing issues of our time. It is affecting every corner of our planet and has the potential to cause catastrophic consequences if we don't act now. In this video, we will explore the urgency of climate change and why we need to take action, such as hurricanes, wildfires, and floods. One of the most visible signs of climate change is the increase in extreme weather events. These events are becoming more frequent and intense due to rising global temperatures caused by greenhouse gas emissions, melting glaciers, and rising sea levels. Another major consequence of climate change is the melting of glaciers and ice caps, which is causing sea levels to rise. If we don't take action, sea levels could rise by up to 3 feet by the end of the century, which would lead to devastating consequences for coastal communities. Climate change is also contributing to air pollution, which is causing health problems for millions of people around the world. This includes respiratory problems, heart disease, and even premature death. Fortunately, there are solutions to the climate crisis. Renewable energy sources like solar and wind power are becoming more affordable and accessible, and many countries are setting ambitious goals to transition to a low-carbon economy. The Earth is getting warmer, and the overwhelming scientific consensus is that human activities, particularly the burning of fossil fuels, are the primary cause of this warming. The Earth's temperature has risen by about 1.1 degrees Celsius, 2.0 degrees Fahrenheit, since the late 19th century, and the majority of this warming has occurred since the mid-20th century. The warming of the Earth's surface and oceans is causing a range of impacts, including rising sea levels, more frequent and severe heat waves, changes in precipitation patterns, and more intense and frequent extreme weather events like hurricanes, floods, and wildfires. To address the issue of global warming and prevent further warming, it is essential to reduce greenhouse gas emissions, transition to renewable energy sources, improve energy efficiency, and promote sustainable land use and transportation practices. Additionally, adaptation measures such as building sea walls and improving water management practices may be necessary to help communities cope with the impacts of climate change that are already occurring. Individuals can also make a difference by taking action in their daily lives, such as reducing their carbon footprint, supporting renewable energy, and advocating for policies that address climate change. An image of a person holding a sign that says "Act Now for Climate Justice." In conclusion, the urgency of climate change cannot be overstated. We must act now to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and transition to a low-carbon economy before it's too late. Today, we can ensure a sustainable future for generations to come.